right, Titus, where are we?
We're at Bradenton Motorsports Park. And we're going to see some cars race today.
Nice. Excited.
I'm excited too.
Good. Good.
Such a big car for just 2 people.
Do you know what this is, Titus? So this Honda Odyssey, this old beat up Honda Odyssey, has a Tesla motors inside it. It's basically a Tesla with a Honda Odyssey dropped onto it. Isn't that fun? You never expect to be so fast.
Cars and coffee. Wait, is this the cars and coffee car?
I'm sure that they're at both. How's the fries and the chicken tenders? Good?
So good.
What would you rate them out of 10?
A 7.
7 out of 10? Okay.
Here he goes again, attempt number 2. Let's see how far he can make it this time. He made it just past the start-finish line. A little bit more speed. 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Who thinks the 57, the black car? How about the green SUV?